In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect your store from Printify. This process is quite straightforward, but it's important to complete each step carefully to ensure everything goes smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Printify and log into your account. Make sure you use the correct email address and password associated with your accounts to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Printify dashboard. This is where all your available options and tools reside, and it's your main hub for store management tasks. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a menu beneath the Printify logo. From the options listed, click on Store. This will take you to a new section dedicated to all the stores currently linked to your Printify account. After accessing the Store section, it's time to manage your stores. Look for the Manage My Stores option and click on it. This area gives you a comprehensive overview of all the stores that you've linked with Printify. It's the central point for making any changes or adjustments to these connections. Now identify the specific store you wish to disconnect. Scroll through the list displayed until you find the one you have in mind. It's important to double check that you're selecting the correct store, especially if you manage multiple ones. Once located, move your cursor to the right side of the store name where you'll notice 3 vertical dots, a common symbol for additional options. Hover over these 3 dots to reveal their hidden menu. Here you'll find the disconnect option. Clicking on it initiates the process of unlinking your store from Printify. But don't worry, this action isn't final quite yet. There's a confirmation step to finalize things. Finally, a prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Carefully read the prompt, and when you're sure about your decision, click on Yes, Disconnect. This confirms your intention and completes the process of disconnecting the store. Remember, disconnecting a store will halt any integration functions that were in place, so ensure you no longer need them active before proceeding. And there you have it. Your store is now successfully disconnected from Printify. It's always a good idea to check back to ensure the disconnection has been processed correctly, especially if you're planning to link a new store or make further updates. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.